Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Donkey Kong. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off with a curve across. And then let's bring it up on both ends. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw another curve going the other way. Now in between these lines, let's draw the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's draw two curves, leaving a small gap. And then the other side of the eyes with a curve going outwards. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a circle. And then a small circle on the top left. And then another one behind in the center. And now let's color both of these in black. Now top to the sides and let's draw a long curve down. And then color the sections around the eyes in black. Next, to finish off the top section of the eyes, let's draw another curve near the top here. Now from both ends, let's curve it up. And then curve it back down. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom half of the face. From the curved line we drew earlier, let's bring it down. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop in, and at the top, let's draw the nose. Let's start with two curves, leaving a gap in between. And then underneath for the nostrils, let's draw a curve up and curve it back in. And that's it for the nose. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across inside. Now from both ends, let's bring it down. And another curve at the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw the teeth. Let's start with two lines down. And then another curve at the bottom. Now inside this top section, let's draw another curve across the center. And then vertical lines inside. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up and let's draw the top shape of the head. Let's start by drawing curves up on the sides. Then a small line down. And then curved points going up and in like this. Now to finish off the top, let's draw a curve up and over to the left, and then a smaller one on the right side. And then to finish off the head, let's move down and draw the ears. Let's draw a curve on both sides at the eye level. And then inside, let's draw a curve up and down. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start by drawing the tie underneath the head. Let's draw 2 small angles down and out. Then let's bring it in and a line across the bottom. Now let's draw a set of curves on the sides. Now to continue the tie, let's draw 2 diagonal lines down like this. And then a V shape at the bottom to close it off. And lastly for the tie, let's move inside and let's draw the letters DK. And that's it for the tie. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the torso. Let's start on the left here and let's draw a curve down and bring it down towards the center. And the same on the right side. And now let's hop inside and let's draw the chest. Let's start on the bottom left of the jaw and let's draw a curve down. And the same on the right side. And then let's bring it down and curve it in. And then underneath, let's draw a line down and curve it towards the center. And that's it for the torso. Next, let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start next to the ears and let's draw a small curve going out. Then let's hop up and another angled curve down and out like this. Now from the top, let's curve it out and up. Then let's curve it back down. And then bring it back in towards the body. Now at the end of each arm, let's draw the hands. Near the bottom, let's draw a wavy line up. And then curve it down. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down, over, up, and in like this. Then let's hop up and let's draw another bent line. And then one larger one on top to close off the hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. From the sides of the body, let's draw a curve out and back in. Then let's hop underneath in the center and let's draw another set of curves out. Then step in from the end and let's draw an angled line. Then close off the bottom of the legs with the curve across. Now underneath, let's add the feet. Let's start from the inside and let's bring it down and curve it back up. And then a small angle out. Now for the next toe, let's draw a bent line going outwards. Then let's curve it back in and up like this. Now let's add another toe on top in the same way. And then one more on each foot. And that's it for Donkey Kong. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!